Morning, folks. It's the day after we get a powerful nor'easter that gave us about 9.8 inches of snow. I thought I'd give you a tour of the neighborhood just to show you how unbelievable it looks now. This is the main area. This is Market Drive. Holy crap. Whoa. Man, look at that. The other tows around the area are pretty daggone amazing. Philly, just in this one storm alone, got 12.2 inches of this stuff. This is unbelievable. Where I'm staying in, the plow guys came through. Without these winds out here, it feels almost like 7 degrees. Winds, I'd say 25 miles an hour. Whoop, there they go again. Whoa! Holy crap! God, it feels like you're in a sandstorm in Egypt or something. My word. Man, a few little grass pickers coming out. Still see us doing a lot of sledding today. But just look at this. This is just truly unbelievable. Oh, there go the winds again. They're bad, my friends. They said this is a mother, man. This is the first of many videos I'll be doing today with showing the video of the aftermath of this unbelievable winter storm. I'm gonna need to ask to see if I can do more around here. But my God. Just listen to that wind. Sounds more like a freight train if you ask me. It's a boatload of wind. Just look at that. Whoa. Freight train.